Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. On the workbench today we have again the main board from the monitor that I've been repairing, and I now have a new switch. Now this is the old one, so I do need to do a few modifications to make it fit. One of the things is, you can see there, the pins on the old one are straight and the pins on this new one are made for wires to go through. So what I think I'm going to do is just cut those down so that I can put them in the holes on the motherboard, just there. I've cut a slit in all of these, so hoping what I can do is squash it together like this. You can see that. To make it so that it'll go in the hole. Right, eventually got it in, all screwed in, all soldered up, and there's the switch is working. Righty-ho, try and get all these wires out of the way. Let's see how we get on. Push the okay, that's gone in. Need to reconnect all of these cables now, so it's just a matter of figuring out where they all go. They're all different, so you can't plug the wrong one in the wrong thing. One definitely goes down there. I think it goes that way. Maybe that one doesn't go in there. Okay, the battery died on the camera and I didn't realise, but I have got it all back together. So now we need to do what is called a smoke test. I'm going to plug the power in. Reposition the camera. Right, switching on at the back. I can definitely hear the tube. Seems to be a bit of a greyish screen. Of course I haven't got any input on it at the moment. Now I need to connect something to it. I've connected my Spectrum around the back to the composite port, so switching on. It's just a matter of finding out. Here we go. Now then, that's green screen. Right, let's go with the other controls. One's in and out. Right, so if I do, I don't know if this will work, it might not. Okay, I'll take out the MMC. This is the normal Spectrum screen. Right, here we go. That's not looking too bad. Just need to adjust position.